Today I'm focusing on the family. We're going to do parents and siblings, but you're also going to learn the gender neutral way to do both. Parents is done with mom being on the chin. Why? It's because cheekbone and down is considered part of the feminine side of the face, and cheekbone and up is for the masculine. Mom, you're tapping and sometimes wiggling. This is for mommy. Dad, same thing, tapping or wiggling for daddy. Now for parents, I would do parents, mom, dad, fast, because you're tying them together. If I want to use the neutral way, I could say parent. That cheekbone is a neutral space, parent. And if I want to say two parents, parents. See? No gender involved. Maybe I don't want to use it or I don't want to share it. Parents. Siblings is the same. You're going to start with L hands. So here we have your dominant hand is up by the side of your cheek. The thumb is touching on the side of my jaw here, and it's going to come down. This is sister. It's coming down, and the fleshy part of my hand is hitting between these two fingers. Sister, starting on your forehead, brother. And now on the neutral spot, sibling. Sibling.